Today I'm going to be reviewing Buyify's folding laptop desk. It's 23 inches wide. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really nice. It's very light for the size. You got the cup holder. You got a place to put your phone, tablet if you want. A handle right here to be able to carry it. This is how thin it is. It's very thin. And then on the back, you've got the legs. Now this does fit perfectly around your lap. So if you're working, if I just do it right now, you can just see this is basically what it would look like on your lap. It's very comfortable, ergonomic, and super portable with that handle. The total dimensions are 23.6 by 15.9 there. And then from the ground up is 9.8 inches. So absolutely the perfect size. You can definitely fit a big laptop on here if you want everything that you need, even with a cup holder. There is just a regular coffee mug that I use on my desk. These do come in 4 different colors, so check those out if you want something that's a little bit different. And finally, this does really well on Amazon. It's got 4.5 stars, which I love to see. It's over my 4.4 minimum. It's got over 3,000 plus reviews, and last month, just this color sold 2,000. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.